In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find My iPhone's Lost Mode to locate a missing iPhone, all within just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through each step, helping you secure your device and increase the chances of recovering it. Let's dive right in. Firstly, the key to this process is accessing either another Apple device or the iCloud website. If you're using an Apple device like an iPad or MacBook, open the Find My app. Alternatively, you can visit iCloud.com from any computer and sign in with your Apple ID credentials. This initial step is crucial because it allows you to control your lost iPhone remotely. Once you're signed in and ready, you'll want to locate your missing iPhone from the list of devices. This list will display all Apple devices linked to your account. Carefully select your lost iPhone from this list. Identifying your device accurately is important, so double check if necessary to ensure you're tracking the correct one. Now that you've selected your lost iPhone, it's time to initiate Lost Mode. Look for the option to activate Lost Mode and tap or click on it. Activating Lost Mode is a vital step because it locks your device and makes it much harder for anyone else to access your personal information. After activating Lost Mode, you have the option to enter a phone number where someone can reach you. This field is optional, but providing a phone number can be beneficial. It allows anyone who finds your device to get in touch with you directly, increasing the chances of recovering your iPhone. Additionally, there's the option to type out a message to be displayed on your lost iPhone screen. While this step is also optional, it's a good idea to use it. A polite message with your contact information can be helpful to someone who may have found your device. Once you've filled in these optional fields, look at the top right of your screen for the Activate button. Tap on it to confirm the activation of Lost Mode. This action is essential because it makes the Lost Mode settings take effect, locking your iPhone and enabling location tracking. With Lost Mode activated, you can now monitor location updates. These updates are accessible directly from the Find My app or through the iCloud website. Regularly checking these updates will help you track the movements of your iPhone and potentially pinpoint its location. Finally, once you've successfully recovered your lost iPhone, go ahead and unlock it using your passcode. This step restores your device to its normal operating mode, and you can breathe a sigh of relief knowing your iPhone is back in your hands. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Find My iPhone's Lost Mode to protect and locate your missing device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your iPhone back in your possession.